What's going on, everyone? This is Vince from Life with Vince Luu. Just completed part 1 of my exercise for the day, which consisted of a lifting session of barbell bench and barbell squats. And to my surprise, my barbell bench, I'm still able to hit 185 5x3 at around 133 pounds. I haven't seriously barbell benched in about a year or so. About a year or so ago, I switched from powerlifting to focus more on jiu-jitsu and to focus more on ultra running. So I had to give up some of my powerlifting movements. So I inevitably gave up the barbell bench and then the barbell squat, and I was only really focused on the deadlifts. And I've been really reluctant to barbell bench on the squat rack behind me just because I'm not used to those safety pins. They are pretty short, and then if I need to drop it, I'm afraid that I'm gonna miss the pins and then drop it on myself. But today I went for it. I adjusted the height of the pins and I adjusted where the bar started. And I found a sweet spot to where if I needed to drop it, I can easily drop it onto the safety pins. And I was able to complete the 185 5x3, as you can tell from the videos that I put up. Though towards the 4th and 5th set, especially the 3rd rep on each set, it did get pretty shaky. And I actually also went for a 205 just for a single to see if I could do it, and I was not. And luckily, I was able to drop the weight onto the safety pins and it caught it, and it really wasn't an issue. So I'm looking forward to see where I can go with my barbell bench to put some more time into it. Though honestly, I'm not gonna put too much focus on it, not as much as my deadlift or my squats, just because I'm so focused on everything else, on ultra running, on jiu-jitsu, especially when it gets back to normal. I'll be able to get back on the mats, squatting and deadlifting. And even with that, I might have to give up squatting or deadlifting, like seriously squatting or deadlifting, but we'll see where it goes. I'm excited to see where I can take these gains. Time to get in a few miles on my regular route. I'll show you what that looks like. I'll record the normal loop that I do. It's 1.35 miles or so, and I do this loop pretty much every single day. It's my normal loop and I like it. It's scenic. There's geese, there's people, there's a bathroom just in case. Obviously the bathroom's not open, but when it is, I could just go instead of running back to my house. Let's go. Easy 4-mile run today, and the plan is any days that I'm lifting weights, I'll be taking a little bit easier on my runs, so right around 4 miles or so. Tomorrow's plan is to not lift any weights and then go on a medium run, so anywhere from 7 to 10 miles, leaving my long run at the end of the week, Friday or Saturday, aiming for 13 to 17 miles. I should have about a 50-mile week today. And today is just another day in the books, and these are the days that I'm actually most excited for because it's one notch closer, it's a fraction closer, even if that fraction is super, super small, 0.01 or even 0.001, because each day that I put in, I'm one step closer, and it just stacks and stacks and stacks. Not only that, sometimes it's even exponential. So I'm excited that I'm getting my training in. Overall, my legs feel really strong. I feel really good. And everything just seems a little bit easier than it was 6 months ago or even 3 months ago. My body is adapting to the stress that's put on it. So the miles are getting easier. Today, I was running 9 something per mile, and that was pretty easy. That's me going at a talking pace. I definitely know that I should speed it up, but at the same time, I'm kind of resting my legs because I did lift weights yesterday. I did lift weights today. I did squats today as well. I did 135 2x15. I know it's not much, but that's extra stress on my legs, extra stress on my legs from yesterday's 5x5. So I don't want to go too fast, but I also want to get in an okay sweat. So I'm excited to put another day in. One step closer to my goal. Let's get it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for all the love and support like always. If you haven't already gave this video a thumbs up, please do so. It really helped me out. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. See you all tomorrow.